Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Apps&Tech. Today I'm gonna unbox two awesome gadgets, in which one is Ringlight and the second gadget is a tripod stand. I have ordered this Ringlight from my Instagram page. You can also get this product from me directly from my page, or I will provide the link below in description. So let's start the video and take a look what type of quality we will get from this page. So let's get into it. I'm unboxing this wrap and you can see the ring light in it. Here we get a 26 centimeter ring light and its stand. So let me unbox it. Here you can see a mini tripod stand is also attached to it. Let me just remove it quickly. So here you guys can see I have unwrapped both of the gadgets. So let's see what's inside the box. First I will start with this stand, and here you can see it's a premium quality stand. I will further explain and guide you guys about all the specs and how to install it, how to assemble it. Now let's see what type of quality is available in this ring light box, 26 meter. Oh nice, impressive. So all the equipments and gadgets are here. Here you can see a ring light and a small tripod stand and the big one. All of them are here. So let me show you guys how to assemble it in your studio, in your home, or in your bedroom, anywhere you want to use it. So first get the tripod and adjust it. You can adjust it accordingly to your height. There are given screw. Now grab the upper part. Here you can see this part, and grab the ring light. You will attach it to your ring light, but first with the tripod, then with the ring light. So put the movement part on the top of the tripod and spin it until it's fully tight. Make sure to tighten it fully, and you can also adjust it whenever you want. Now put the ring light on top of the movable part and spin it until it's fully tight. Make sure to tighten both of these parts, ring light and the movement part. It will give you a stable connection to your mobile phone. After making sure it's fully tight, get the USB cable with the ring light. As you can see, you can plug this in any adapter or charger. I have this charger, so I will plug this in. Then plug the charger to the switch and turn it on. After the switch is on, you will see a blue light on this switch. You can adjust your ring light according to your taste. There are 3 ring light functions: yellow, white and random one, and on and off switch. Also you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness of that light. As you can see, this yellow one, white one and one more, combination of both colors. And the last step is this holder in which you can hold your mobile. As you can see, it's very easy to install. First you have to remove the screw, then put the screw into the spring and then connect the spring to the holder easily and screw it up. Tighten it up completely, so the holder must be tight enough. Then connect this part to your ring light. Here it will be fixed easily. Make sure to fully tighten it. After it's completely fixed, you can adjust here. Just put the mobile phone to your holder. It will grab your mobile phone according to your mobile phone size. And this function you can adjust it, the tripod, according to your height easily by using the screw given on the tripod. So this was the tripod. I will give a thumbs up. Now this small tripod, you can easily fix it. As you can see, there's a given lock to adjust it. Don't move the tripod without unlocking the lock. Now put the holder to the tripod. Make sure the holder is fully tight. It will give you a stable mobile phone. So tighten it fully, and here the tripod is good to go. Here you can put your mobile phone and put it on the table. These were some of the instructions. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Okay, see you in the next one.